Assalamu alaikum. My name is Alisha Sarfraz and today the topic of my presentation is Charles Lamb's biography. Charles Lamb was an English essayist, poet, fiction writer and critic from the Romantic period. He was born on February 10, 1775 in London to John Lamb and Elizabeth Field as their youngest child among three living children. His father worked as a clerk for a lawyer. His brother John and sister Mary were many years older to him. He was quite closer to his paternal aunt Hattie and maternal grandmother Mrs. Field. Mary taught him to to read, and therefore he came under the guidance of Mrs. Reynolds, with whom he maintained lifelong contact. Career. He suffered from stutter problems all his life, which disqualified him from a clerical career. After a short stint in the office of a London merchant, Joseph Pace, he joined the examiner's office of the South Sea House, where he served in a small post till February 8, 1792, and so on. Lamb and his sister led an active social life with some of the notable literary and theatrical personalities around. He became acquainted with many young writers in London like Leigh Hunt, William Hazlitt, so on. Major works. Lamb's work, along with his sister Mary, Tales from Shakespeare, emerged as a bestseller in the children's library of William Goodwill. His collection of essays in Essay of Ilya is considered one of the most remarkable work of English style of essays and compositions. Poems. Some of his famous poems are Cleanliness, A Farewell to Tobacco, The Old Familiar Faces, and On an Infant Dying as Soon as Born, Parental Recollections, Thoughtless Cruelty. Themes. Now some major themes in his poetry are the imagination. Many of Lamb's essays revolve around imaginative concepts, and the word that Lamb describes is mostly easily understood through his wild imagination. Class versus class. Lamb is very interested in the distinction between social class and the type of class one exhibits. Next. Mischief. Lamb himself is a bit of mischievous writer. For example, he draws his reader into a heart-wrenching story that ends up being little more than a dream, or crafts an elaborate ruse like the one in the South Sea House. Skepticism in religion. A complicated relationship with religion is developed throughout the course of these essays. Kinship. We know from Lamb's biography that he was particularly close to his sister Mary, and we can glean from these essays that he gave primarily to his family relationships. Storytelling. While essays are non-fiction, Lamb uses the theme of storytelling to push the boundaries of form, often dabbling in fiction, memory, and nostalgia. Lamb is nothing if not a nostalgia, and so many of his essays are rooted in recalling something from the past. So that's all was about Charles Lamb. Thank you so much.